Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk to you about the explosive growth potential of blockchain technology. Blockchain is revolutionizing industries worldwide by providing secure and transparent transactions. With its decentralized nature, blockchain eliminates the need for intermediaries, making transactions faster and more cost-effective. One of the key benefits of blockchain is its ability to enhance data security. By using encryption techniques, blockchain ensures that data is tamper-proof and secure from cyber threats. As more companies and organizations integrate blockchain technology into their operations, we can expect to see a significant increase in its growth potential. This technology has the power to transform industries such as finance, healthcare, and supply chain management. So, keep an eye on blockchain technology as it continues to reveal its explosive growth potential in the coming years. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech trends. Uplifting ending sentence: the future of blockchain is bright, and the possibilities are endless. Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Today, I want to share with you 5 mindset hacks that can enhance the efficiency of artificial intelligence. Let's dive right in. First up, set clear goals for your AI projects. By defining what you want to achieve, you can streamline the development process and ensure that your AI system is focused on the right objectives. Next, cultivate a growth mindset within your team. Encourage them to embrace challenges and learn from failures, as this will foster innovation and creativity in your AI projects. By fostering a culture of collaboration and experimentation, you can empower your team to push the boundaries of what AI can achieve. So go ahead and implement these mindset hacks to enhance the efficiency of your artificial intelligence today. Uplifting ending sentence: remember, with the right mindset, the possibilities of AI are endless. Let's create a smarter future together. Hey there. Today, let's talk about 5 mindsets you need to master AI. First, embrace curiosity. AI is constantly evolving, so stay curious and keep learning about the latest developments. Next, adaptability is key. The AI field moves quickly, so be prepared to adapt and learn new skills as technology advances. Collaboration is essential. Working with others allows you to combine different perspectives and expertise to create innovative AI solutions. Another important mindset is ethical consideration. Always think about the potential impact of AI on society and ensure your work is guided by ethical principles. And finally, have a growth mindset. Embrace challenges and see failures as opportunities to learn and improve in the world of AI. Remember, mastering AI is not just about technical skills, but also about having the right mindset. So, embrace curiosity, adaptability, collaboration, ethical consideration, and a growth mindset to succeed in the exciting world of artificial intelligence. Keep learning and growing. See you in the next video.
Hey there, beautiful souls. Today, I want to talk to you about boosting your self-esteem with the help of machine learning. First things first, Surround yourself with positivity. Use machine learning algorithms to curate your social media feed with uplifting content and inspiring quotes. By doing this, you'll be feeding your mind with positivity and boosting your self-esteem in the process. Next, challenge negative thoughts with cognitive behavioral therapy techniques. Use machine learning apps to track your thoughts and emotions throughout the day. By identifying patterns and triggers, you can work on reframing your thoughts and building a more positive mindset. Remember, self-esteem is a journey, not a destination. By harnessing the power of machine learning, you can transform your self-esteem and create a life filled with self-love and confidence. So go ahead, beautiful souls, and embrace the incredible transformation waiting for you. Uplifting ending sentence: you are worthy, you are enough, and you are loved.
Hey there, friends. Today, let's talk about boosting confidence in self-driving cars. One key factor that strengthens confidence in self-driving cars is their advanced technology. These cars are equipped with sensors, cameras, and artificial intelligence that allow them to perceive their surroundings and make split-second decisions. This technology is constantly evolving and improving, making self-driving cars safer and more reliable with each passing day. Another important aspect that boosts confidence in self-driving cars is their track record of safety. Studies have shown that self-driving cars are actually less prone to accidents than human-driven vehicles. With their ability to react faster and avoid human errors, self-driving cars provide a level of safety that is unmatched. So, next time you hop into a self-driving car, remember that their advanced technology and proven safety record are there to make your journey smooth and stress-free. Trust in the future of transportation and embrace the convenience and comfort of self-driving cars. Stay safe and happy travels. Uplifting ending sentence: